Thanks for tuning in to the Exago Video Training Series. To practice some of your newly learned skills, we've created some example exercises that touch on each of the fundamental features of Exago. We encourage you to pause this video on each of the following slides and take a few minutes to create a report or two in your environment that satisfy the requirements displayed. Should you need assistance, be sure to refer back to earlier videos in this playlist. First up, create a new Express view. Add a couple of data fields and pick one data field to group your data by. Modify the aggregation of one of your columns to show a sum value. Filter the Express view to show the top n groupings based on the summed value. Finally, add a visualization that charts the summed values for each group. Next, create a new advanced report. Be sure to sort on a field that you'd like to group by later, and additionally, include at least one numeric field and one date/time field. Add a group header and group footer on the field you've chosen to sort by, and add a report footer as well. Add a label to your group header. An easy choice here is to use the field you're grouping on as the label. Apply alternate row shading to your detail rows. Use cell formatting to modify the way you display your numeric as well as your date field. Include formulas to count one field and sum the numeric field in the group footer. Add a chart to the report footer. Filter by a date range using the date field included on the report. And finally, conditionally change the background color of the cell containing the numeric field if it crosses a benchmark that you define. Next up, create a crosstab report. Set up the column headers to be the year of a date field and the month of a date field, and modify your labels appropriately. Add two row header sources and add a field to define the tabulation. Then modify the row headers to sort based on tabular totals. Lastly, apply a theme of your choice. Finally, create a new dashboard. Add at least one pre-existing report, like the advanced report discussed earlier in this video. Create a visualization directly on the dashboard, and add an interactive filter controlling one or more components of the new dashboard. This concludes our outro exercises, as well as the Exago Video Training Series. Be sure to check out our support site linked below for more specific information on any given topic, and as always, happy reporting.